it's your girl Chris and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back with another DIY video. I want to show you guys how I take a denim shirt and turn it into a two-piece crop outfit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right on to the video. I had this denim top for the longest. I don't really wear it anymore, so I wanted to spice it up, bring it back to life. Okay, for the top, I am just going to cut straight across the top, and that is it. And I'm just gonna pull the little white strings to give it this rough look, and that's all I did to it. For the skirt, I had to try it on first, and now I'm just pinning each side, and I'm gonna sew it up so it can fit better. Now I am trying to line the slit up with, I'm trying to figure out where I want my slit to be. It's really up to you, because sometimes my panties was showing a few times, so you want to just adjust it to how you like it, and also figure out where you're going to put your button. I needed an extra button, so I'm sewing it on now, and it's just a little simple stitch, I guess, with the button, nothing special. Now I just basically pin the top part of the skirt up because I want it to have a cleaner look, so I'm going to sew that down, and yes, that is it.